Hey, welcome to LoveLiveSave, and today I have some amazing Dollar General Clean Supplies couponing deals that you can do this Saturday, June 10th at Dollar General to stock up and get your house looking amazing. Before we get started, I want you to leave me a comment down below and let me know what is your favorite go-to cleaning supplies tool, as I am currently trying to step up my cleaning supplies game, and I would love to hear if you guys have any awesome tools that can make my life easier. So let's get started with the deal, shall we? For this deal, grab 2 finished jet dry cleaners, a Dawn Power Wash, 2 35-count tubs of Lysol disinfecting wipes, and a small bag of Tide Pods. After all coupons, of course that includes the 5 off of 25 Saturday coupon, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $14.90 plus tax, which is a 46% off savings. Now, as I've been changing the style of my deal videos, I keep forgetting to mention, I think it's pretty obvious at this point, but for each of these deals, all the coupons that you have to clip are listed on the left side of the screen. You gotta make sure you clip all of them for the out-of-pocket to come to where it's supposed to be. Hands down, one of my favorite coupons that we got, well, scratch that, my 2 favorite coupons that we got over the last week is for sure that $2 off Lysol laundry sanitizer coupon and the $4 off to Mr. Clean coupon. So this deal incorporates both of those and stocks up for super cheap. Grab 1 bottle of Lysol laundry sanitizer, 2 Mr. Clean cleaners, a medium-sized bottle of Game Fireworks, and a Febreze plug-in. After all coupons, our total out of pocket is only $10.20 plus tax for a 62% off savings. I am most definitely doing this deal because I need to restock my Lysol laundry sanitizer before my son goes back to school in the fall. For this deal, grab 1 Airwick Essential Mist starter kit, a $4 size bottle of Pine Sol cleaner, this specific pack of Bic razors. I say this specific one because this $4 off coupon only seems to be coming off certain $5.50 ones, and then 1 tub of Lysol disinfecting wipes. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes to just $12.25 plus tax. This next deal is a really great one to stock up on laundry supplies and specifically larger size bottles, which is amazing because you know they last longer. Grab 1 of the large bottles of Downy fabric softener, a medium-sized bottle of Gain Fireworks, and 1 bottle of Downy Rinse and Refresh. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes to just $13.40 plus tax. I absolutely love couponing deals that have a 50% or more off savings. I love couponing. For our next deal, grab 1 bottle of Pine Sol cleaner, 2 tubs of Lysol disinfecting wipes, a Dawn Power Wash, a Colgate Optic White Pro toothpaste, and finally 1 Febreze plug-in. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $11.70 plus tax. Yep, I do believe this deal is probably one of my favorite this week. And I say one of them because a lot of them are my favorite, to be honest with you. But for this deal, grab 1 Dawn Power Wash, 2 finished jet dry cleaners, of which I am almost out of now that I think about it, 2 bottles of Gain dish soap, and 1 pack of Skin Tint razors. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes to just $12.55 plus tax. Over the last couple weeks, I've had a lot of people reach out to me and ask for Tide Pod deals, and luckily we have a lot of coupons for them right now. So for this deal, grab 1 tub of Tide Pods, 1 small bag of Tide Pods, and 1 pack of those Bic razors for $5.50. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes to just $13.45 plus tax, which is amazing. It's several dollars less than just the full price of the big tub of Tide Pods, and everything else ends up being free. Okay, I changed my mind. This is my favorite deal. I know I'm always changing my mind, but this is probably my favorite. This is probably what I'm going to do this week. It stocks up on my paper towels that I'm almost out of, and the Lysol disinfecting wipes to stock up for, like I mentioned before, when my son goes back to school and he brings all the cooties home. So grab 1 6-count pack of Sparkle paper towels, 2 Mr. Clean cleaners, and 3 tubs of Lysol disinfecting wipes. Our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $12.75 plus tax for 51% off savings. Now, I know I've mentioned it in previous videos, but I just want to give you a reminder. When we have all these coupons for Lysol disinfecting wipes, and if you have kids in school, specifically elementary school, this is a really great time to stock up, not only for your family, but when the kids go back to school in the fall, it's really nice to give the teacher a couple tubs of these wipes. I do it every year, hoping that just a fewer amount of cooties come home. So moving on, we're going to do this super easy beginner-friendly deal. Grab one big bottle of Gain Fabric Softener, a small bag of Tide Pods, and a Colgate Optic White Pro toothpaste. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes at just $13.20 plus tax. Here's another really easy beginner-friendly deal. Grab one Febreze fabric. I am so excited that we got this coupon. I wish we would have had it when I was writing the Gain deals. That's a really great product to work in the Gain scenarios. Grab 2 bottles of Mr. Clean Cleaner, a Pine Sol cleaner, a medium-sized bottle of Gain Fireworks, and a Febreze plug-in. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to that's my sad attempt to drum roll on my desk, $9.15 plus tax for a 66% off savings. This is an awesome deal to replenish your stockpile. Now, if you're looking for even more couponing deals, check out the comments down below for information for my Patreon page, where I'm doing a 1-week free trial of my Patreon $5 membership, where you gain access to my complete couponing deals list, of which this week has 130 couponing deals for all the major categories that you're wanting to stock up for your family: cleaning supplies, laundry, diapers. It has all of it. So if you're interested, make sure you check it out. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, make sure you click on that subscribe button and join our LoveLiveSave couponing community. And click on the notification bell as well. That way, whenever I post couponing deal videos throughout the week, and I post a lot of them, or I do one of my fun Couponing After Dark live chats, you'll receive a notification. You'll be one of the first people to know, and you won't miss out. And I will see you in the next video.